Unit 123. In, at, on, position 1. A. In a room. In a building. In a box. In a garden. In a town, country. In the city center. In a pool. In the sea. In a river. There is no one in the room, in the building, in the garden. What have you got in your hand, in your mouth? When we were in Italy, we spent a few days in Venice. I have a friend who lives in a small village in the mountains. There were some people swimming in the pool, in the sea, in the river. B. At the bus stop. At the door. At the roundabout. At reception. Who is that man standing at the bus stop, at the door, at the window? Turn left at the traffic lights, at the church, at the roundabout, at the junction. We have to get off the bus at the next stop. When you leave the hotel, please leave your key at reception. At the reception desk. C. On the wall. On the ceiling. On the door. On the floor. On the table. On her nose. On a page. On an island. I sat on the floor, on the ground, on the grass, on the beach, on a chair. There is a dirty mark on the wall, on the ceiling, on your nose, on your shirt. Have you seen the notice on the notice board, on the door? You will find details of TV programs on page 7 of the newspaper. The hotel is on a small island in the middle of a lake. D. Comparing that. There were a lot of people in the shop. It was very crowded. Go along this road, then turn left at the shop. I will meet you in the hotel lobby. I will meet you at the entrance to the hotel. Comparing and on. There is some water in the bottle. There is a label on the bottle. On the bottle. In the bottle. Compare at and on. There is somebody at the door. Shall I go and see who it is? There is a notice on the door. It says do not disturb. Unit 123. Exercises. 123.1. Answer the questions about the pictures. Use in, at or on with the words below the pictures. Bottle, arm, traffic lights, door, wall, Paris, gate, beach. 1. Where's the label? On the bottle. 2. Where's the fly? On his arm, or on the man's arm. 3. Where is the car waiting? At the traffic lights. 4. A. Where's the notice? On the door. B. Where's the key? In the door. 5. Where are the shelves? On the wall. 6. Where's the Eiffel Tower? In Paris. 7. A. Where's the man standing? At the gate. B. Where's the bird? On the gate. 8. Where are the children playing? On the beach. 123.2. Complete the sentences. Use in, at or on plus the following: the window, your coffee, the mountains, the tree, my guitar, the river, the island, the next petrol station. 1. Look at those people swimming in the river. 2. One of the strings on my guitar is broken. 3. There is something wrong with the car. We would better stop at the next petrol station. 4. Would you like sugar in your coffee? 5. The leaves on that tree are a beautiful color. 6. Last year we had a wonderful skiing holiday in the mountains. 7. There's nobody living on the island. It is uninhabited. 8. He spends most of the day sitting at the window and looking outside. 123.3. Complete the sentences within at or on. 1. There was a long queue of people at the bus stop. 2. Nicola was wearing a silver ring on her little finger. 3. There was an accident at the crossroads this morning. 4. I was not sure whether I had come to the right office. There was no name on the door. 5. There are some beautiful trees in the park. 6. You'll find the sports results on the back page of the newspaper. 7. I would not like an office job. I could not spend the whole day sitting at a computer. 8. My brother lives in a small village in the southwest of England. 9. The man the police are looking for has a scar on his right cheek. 10. The headquarters of the company are in Milan. 11. I like that picture hanging on the wall in the kitchen. 12. If you come here by bus, get off at the stop after the traffic lights.